What's up guys, here we are on another unboxing and review. In this video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this amazing wireless keyboard and mouse. Sometimes using a wired mouse or keyboard is much responsive, but using a wireless one makes your desk look amazing without all those cables. Anyway, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this to see if this is a good choice. So please, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more unboxing videos like this. Let's dive into it. So here we are, and this is the box it comes in. So let's unbox it to see what we have inside. We don't have a brand name or logo here, just mini keyboard of which it is. Okay, so there's it. It just comes like this. This is the keyboard and the size is okay, you can see. And right here in the same box we have the mouse, and it's also good. So excuse me, in the box, okay, here it is. Also we have this, so we are going to be using this to connect the keyboard and mouse with our computer. Just plug it into your computer. Once you put the battery cells inside, once you put the AA battery inside, you just put this to your computer and it automatically connects, and you can start using the mouse and keyboard. So that's just it, but the advice is make sure you don't lose this, because once you lose this you have to buy another wireless mouse and keyboard, a new one. So make sure to be careful with this, it's very important. The design really looks amazing because of the color white. I bought this color because in my opinion I think it's better than black or any other color, and secondly it matches my desk speakers and headphones. The design is perfect, it doesn't take too much space on the desk pad, and it doesn't look small either. So now, how do you use this? How do you connect it to your computer? You insert AA batteries in the mouse and keyboard, because that's what powers it. It's not rechargeable. After putting the batteries, it powers on. Then you put this to your computer's USB port, and in few seconds both the mouse and keyboard connects to your computer, and it connects to your Bluetooth in 5 seconds, and that's kind of fast. And also I'm really impressed by the response of the mouse and keyboard. It's really a good connection between the mouse, keyboard and your computer, so no seconds delay when typing or using the mouse, and I really think it's amazing for the price. It's really a good idea when you have a secondary display or monitor. So you just close your laptop and you'll be able to use the secondary display with your mouse and keyboard. So using the keyboard, typing with the keyboard isn't the best experience, but it's worth it for the price. The wireless mouse and keyboard is really amazing, and it's a good idea if you are going to purchase that. I will leave links in the description of the video. It costs like $12 or $11, 50 cents, something like that. I will leave it in the description. You can get it on Amazon and other online selling platforms. Because the design looks good, it beautifies your desk setup, and it takes at least months before you change the batteries inside, and it's really not small, not very big, it's just the perfect size. So I think it's really worth it. So I think that's all for the unboxing and review. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech unboxings like this, and until then I'm gonna meet you guys in the next one. Peace.